In this episode,
we're embarking on an epic journey through the stunning Corinth Canal, braving unpredictable winds and swell, but don't worry, the early wake-up call is worth it for the breathtaking sunrise. After reaching Athens, we'll take you on a whirlwind tour of this vibrant city, including a visit to the iconic Acropolis and sharing our top recommendations for rooftop bars and seafood restaurants. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned with our top line travels.
if you're just joining us, this summer we have moved onto our catamaran Lagoon 450 and are currently sailing the Mediterranean.
We are currently doing the last leg of our journey towards the Corinth Canal. There's not a lot of wind at the moment, so we're motoring, which means my dad can go on the back of the boat with his ski and ride the wave. We've slowed the boat down and we're putting the ski in. Oh!
So we're just approaching the Corinthian Canal. We've just called the Harbour Authority on Channel 11. Yes, I'll wait your instruction.
Proceed with full speed.
Thank you, we'll proceed with full speed. Asked them if we can go through today because we only booked to go through tomorrow, and they're all good. For 277 euros we will go through the canal this Saturday.
We are officially entering the canal now. It is 4 miles long and will take us to the other side of Greece towards Athens.
We've been sailing on the western side of Greece in the Ionian Island. This canal is going to take us to the eastern side to the Aegean Island.
The water is so aqua blue because of the limestone walls that are falling into it.
Back in 1881, construction on this marvel began, but it was faced with its fair share of challenges, from geological hurdles to financial setbacks. Fast forward to 1893 and the canal was finally completed. Since then, the canal has sliced through the 6.3 kilometre wide landmass, transforming the Peloponnese into an island. Today, bridges on both ends of the canal connect the Greek mainland side to the Peloponnese side.
We have now made it through the Corinth Canal. It took us about half an hour going about 4 or 5 knots.
5 knots, yeah. It was great.
Crazy, beautiful, amazing. Can't believe this was made in the 1800s.
Yeah, I feel sorry for those
Mind
blokes.
blown. Celebrate going through the canal. We have cracked a few drinks and because we've been sailing all day, we haven't exactly moved our bodies, so we're going to go do a quick little workout. We're going to be using a bucket of water to do some weight exercises. Let's go. Best part about a bucket workout is you can dunk yourself afterwards.
So we've got our supplies for the week, but they're up top of the staircase and we are moored down the bottom of the staircase. So this is how we do it.
We've got Dustin on the front doing some hot pulse. Get that exercise in, living on a boat. Oh god, out the jump.
Sup peeps, my name's Travis and I like card tricks. Take the card. Yeah. Okay, look at the card.
The camera.
Put it back anyway. Yeah. Okay, shuffle it one more time. Alright. So hold out your hand like this. Pretty fun. Okay. And slap the cards and the card you're holding is going to be your card. Like, yeah.
Oh!
Hey! Jackpot!
We are up at sunrise because the wind is howling and it is rocking us. The swell is huge and we need to move, so all hands on deck to get out of where we are now. We've managed to make the move towards Athens. So after waking up for sunrise and getting out of that tunnel of wind and harsh water, we have finally made it to Athens. It took us an hour and a half, which wasn't too bad. The wind hasn't stopped and we are still in pretty rough waters, but we've made it. We are gonna check into the marina and then go and explore what Athens has. Now that we are all tied up and in the marina safely, there is no more wind to worry about, and we are going to re-rig our halyard as well as put up an extra rope so that we can create a swing so that when we're back out in open ocean, we can have some fun and swing off of our sail. We're going to take turns to manually winch our captain up the mast. Successful!
After a day of rigging, we headed to Attic, which is located in the heart of Athens on a terrace overlooking the Acropolis. The food was so yummy, music was playing, and the signature Attic cocktails were awesome, all the while with views of the Acropolis in the background.
Today we are making the trip into Athens city centre and going to check out the Acropolis.
Unfortunately, we can only go in the middle of the day. We got dinner tonight, last night we were busy, and then tomorrow we leave, so we're gonna brave the heat. Wish us luck. See you out there. We've made it into the Acropolis area, and we actually ended up buying the tickets plus an audio tour.
I would save yourself €7 by getting one audio tour per couple and then just share AirPods.
The Acropolis in Athens is an ancient citadel located on a rocky outcrop above the city. It dates back to the 5th century BC and was a centre of ancient Greek civilization. The most famous building of the Acropolis is the Parthenon, a temple dedicated to the goddess of Athena. It's admired for its perfect proportions and architectural precision. The Acropolis symbolises the peak of Greek cultural achievement. It's a World Heritage Site and an enduring symbol of Athens and Greece.
Look at all these people clamming under these two little trees just to get some shade. It is wildly hot, so I highly recommend coming in the morning or the afternoon. Suggest bringing some water if you do come up here. They have fountains you can fill up with. It is insane how big this city really is. It just goes for miles and miles all around, 360 degrees. We're heading back down and out of the Acropolis to go and do some shopping in the city, but definitely worth the experience. There's nothing quite like this. We are headed out in Athens along the promenade at the marina. It's super vibey. Heaps of restaurants to see and lots of good food here, so keen to check out one of the
So
nice
hungry after the Acropolis.
Yeah, wow. That was a big day.
We are at Ham and Clam Oyster Bar. It is beautiful here. I can't wait to see what the food has to offer. It looks amazing.
Located at Marina Zia, Hams and Clams menu is as fine as the yachts that line the horizon. Everything on the menu is delicious, and it was the perfect place to spend our final night in Athens. Next week, we journey to 3 hidden island gems, Kia, Kifnos and Sifnos. What sets these islands apart? Well, they're not your typical tourist hotspots. We discover charming villages frozen in time, pristine beaches, and a rich tapestry of history and culture. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned with our top line travels.